lahat. Mahirapan.
Hi, it's me again, Jefferson. Second part of Jefferson's Wild Interview. Stop with the light. Now I'm saying to you, stop with the light. Damn it. Jug. Damn. Kasi. Hardy. Where's Hardy? Where is Hardy? One more time, I'm gonna delete this video. If you're watching this, leave a comment. I'm going with that again. Let's have story. Ouch. Story, you want? If you want, leave a comment and say yes or no. If you want story. If you just want, I'm gonna give you free. Just kidding. I can't even contact you, man. Aliko. They're just crazy with me. Joke. Hindi naman eh.
Hey, Daddy, come.
This is look at your faces, Go here! Uy, muscle daw oh. Alam mo kami ng babae yun? Look at this man eating paper. How big is he? Tell me. How you? And what are your apps?
Kalbo man.
Is that LOL? It's L-O. Ano ba? L. Yun. L-O. Ay. L-O-V-E. L-O-V-E.
Ate.
Baliktad ba?
Inaano mo lang. Nihugas mo lang kami.
Bye-bye! And another time again, why are you watching this? I'm watching you. Actually, I don't. Because I'm just in the YouTube, you know. He's so little bit crazy, you know.
Bad!
A little bit mindless. Bye-bye for now.